How to find your Binance wallet address. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Binance account. Now the next thing I did was to tap on add funds. Is at the top right hand corner of your screen. Then you want to locate deposit crypto and tap on it. Now at this point you have to choose the correct cryptocurrency you want to deposit into, or you risk losing your money. Now go ahead and select the cryptocurrency. I'll be using BTC today and I just tapped on it. Now you want to go ahead and select a network. I went ahead and I selected Bitcoin. And guys, on your screen you can see there's a deposit address. Now this is also your wallet address, and this is how easy it is to find your Binance wallet address. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.